Today, we're sharing how to make the roasted pork torta with spicy pickled avocado. Our torta starts with sautéed pork. Place the pork into a large mixing bowl and add our avocado salsa verde. With a spatula, gently toss the pork to evenly mix in the avocado salsa verde. Next, we'll transfer our pork onto a sheet pan and top it generously with Monterey Jack cheese. Place the pan in the oven at 400 degrees for 2 minutes, or until the cheese is melted. Now we're ready to build our sandwich. We start with half a toasted bolillo roll as our base. Slide the dressed and roasted pork on top of the toasted bolillo roll. Next, we add our shredded cabbage and our pickled onions. To the top, we add slices of spicy pickled fresh avocados from Mexico, prepared with jalapeno, carrots, and onions in an apple cider brine. Drizzle on more avocado salsa verde and top with the other half of the toasted roll. Now you know how to make the roasted pork torta with spicy pickled avocado by Avocados from Mexico.
Avocados from Mexico.